Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds within the flip diving game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the flip diving game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu from which you can directly start enjoying the game by tapping on the play button. Now if you wish to turn off sounds for the game, tap on the gear icon at the bottom left corner and you will be taken into the settings page. Now within this page, you will see the music as well as the sound effects option. If you simply tap on these options, you can turn these both off. And now your sound as well as the music for the game will be turned off. You can turn this setting back at any time by going back into the settings menu and simply tapping on these buttons. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds within the flip diving game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.